Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Ibrahim Arya Maulana. You can call me Ibrahim. I was born in Surabaya. I am 20 years old and I am the second child of two siblings. I graduated from University of 17 Agustus 1945 Surabaya, majoring in mechanical engineering. I'm a person who is committed to work and I'm also a person who is passionate and never give up in learning new things. I applied as a mechanic engineer because I mastered the skill in that field. I had an internship at a car repair company and that time I was trusted to be a mechanic helper for approximately 6 months. I have also worked as a mechanic in a car service repair company, and I also have several training certificates, such as General Katika Certificate, Skill Competency Certification, and other certificates. My motivation for want to join Maulana Enterprises is because Maulana Enterprises is a company that supports the development of a product industry that excels in its sector. So I want to join, and after I was accepted, I want this company to be a pioneer of product that the company never thought of other to be the best of my ability. I want to play an activity role in achieving and developing with Maulana Enterprises. I want to learn more than you expect. With a sincere and collaborative heart, I am able to commit to work thoroughly, accurately, with the best ability and responsibly. With this qualification, I believe I can join your company. So much for my self introduction. As a consideration for all the shortcomings, I apologize and thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.